Welcome back to a brand new episode of Mastering Programming. So I was recently given in my birthday a green screen, which is the thing behind me right now and allowing me to put my face pretty much into anything I want. Now, as you can see, I just picked up a random video. It says no copyright, so I hope I don't get in trouble. It's made by this guy. Check him out if you want. But basically, the idea here is that I can put my face onto anything, whether it's a video, whether it's a photo, a game, or anything. And I'm pretty sure if you've seen YouTube before, you've seen this kind of thing everywhere. Now, any movie that you've seen also uses the same technique. You basically put a green screen behind you, you record yourself, and boom, somehow there's some magic, and all of a sudden you are inside of your screen. But how exactly does it work? Well, we can pause this video and we can head back to our browser here, and as you can see, all green screens have the same thing. You pretty much put your subject or the person that you want to record on front of the green screen. As you can see here, we have a lady and she's in front of the green screen, and as you can see, there's a green screen behind it, and all of a sudden you've got some magic happening here at the background with her being recorded. Now you can see that this gets used with the Avengers, it gets used with Harry Potter, it gets used with anything where you want to change your side or your background. Why is it important? Well, there could be so many reasons, but most importantly today I'll tell you why and how it actually happens. Well, first of all, I want to say that you can actually use any color for this. You can use a green background, a blue background, red, brown, black, anything, as long as it's a solid color. And by that I mean as long as the background is one color. Now, why do we use a green or a blue screen? Well, that's because most likely, well, actually, definitely humans do not have green or blue inside of their body. So no one has a skin color of green or blue. Our body does not contain that color, and our hair naturally does not contain those two colors as well. Now, a chroma key effect, which is the green screen effect, basically happens by simply filtering out that color from your image. For example, right now I have a green background behind me, and all the software is doing right now is it's basically going through my video, which I'm recording right now, and straight away removing anything that has the green color in the image. If I grab something else with the color green, as you can see, it gets filtered out straight away. And that's because the computer doesn't magically know that there is a background behind me. All it knows is that it should just be removing the green background. As you can see, I can put it anywhere and straight away it will remove it. It will be transparent. And if I click this, as you can see, the entire thing becomes transparent. If I wear my glasses, which they are green, well, the camera doesn't detect it here, but basically anything that's green will be removed straight away. Well, what about blue? Blue is exactly the same thing, except blue is also not found in your body. In fact, some people even recommend using a blue screen than a green screen. And if I had anything blue right now and I was using a chroma key effect for the blue background and not the green, my chair here would have been removed as well. Now, this is very simple and it's easy to do, and the main idea here is that we just filter out the colors that we don't need to appear. Okay, so we figured out how a green screen or blue screen works. We simply filter out that color. Well, how come there's some areas here, as you can see on the side of my body over here, where it's not actually being filtered correctly? What's going on? Is there an issue with the green screen? Well, no, there is no issue with the green screen or the software being used, but there is an issue with the lighting. Remember, we're trying to take a solid color and filter it out. The same green we should be filtering out. But what's happening right now is that there's different shades of lighting hitting the screen behind me, and that's because my chair is covering some of the light. And as you can see, if I move, that distortion gets removed as well. If I point some light at it, so if I get my phone, and if I highlight it, you can see that straight away, it's actually pretty cool, the distortion starts to be removed. And I can do this on the other side as well. And actually, right now, if I'm covering the light, you can see that the distortion increases. So basically, for a green screen to work, you need the same color to be there, and also with the same shades, or pretty much as close as you can. Any changes to the lighting will straight away affect your green screen, and that's when you're most likely going to be better off using a blue background than a green background, just because blue doesn't get affected as much as green when it comes to differences in light. Thanks so much for watching. Again, this was just a quick episode that I found was interesting, and I found it really cool to know how a green screen works. If you're thinking of buying one, please do. This thing is super cool, and as I'm learning how to use it, I'll definitely be using it in my videos more and putting some really cool effects. As you can see, it's pretty cool to use. It's doing a great job, and I can't wait to see what else I will do with it. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Have a good day.